Today I'm going to be making peel-a-pound soup. With 5 children and 9 grandchildren, there's always something to celebrate, and I guess I've been celebrating too much. I stepped on the scale this morning and it's like, uh-oh, I better make some peel-a-pound soup. This soup's claim to fame is that it burns calories eating it and that you can lose 10 to 15 pounds in a week. Now, I don't know if those are true, but I know when I was younger, I could drop a lot of weight in a quick amount of time eating this soup. Now that I'm older, I use peel-a-pound soup to get me back on track to eating healthy. So let's make some. These are the ingredients you're gonna need for your peel-a-pound soup. You're gonna need some celery, a head of cabbage, a can of whole or diced tomatoes. This is 28 ounces. I'm adding a zucchini and carrots. Those are optional. Onions, bell peppers, they can be any color. Garlic, a package of Lipton onion soup, 7 bouillon cubes, and we're going to be adding water to this. I'm going to turn my stovetop to medium heat, and we're going to add our tomatoes. So I'm going to squeeze these tomatoes, squeeze the juice out of them, and try to break them into pieces a little bit. I'm going to stick my bouillon cubes in water and stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to take my fork and kind of mix this around and try to break down the cubes. They don't have to completely dissolve here, they'll dissolve in your soup. We're going to pour this in, and I'm going to add another 2 cups. So actually I added 3.5 cups of water with the bouillon cubes. Now we're going to add in our onion soup. I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to let this simmer while I cut up my vegetables. We're going to cut our cabbage into 1-inch cubes. The first thing we're going to do is cut the ends off and then cut it in half. Now we're going to add our vegetables. I did not peel my carrots. I washed and scrubbed them, but I did not peel them, but you can. We're going to stir these vegetables in. It already looks delicious. Now our cabbage. Remember, I cut my cabbage into 1-inch cubes. I like my vegetables a little bigger so that I have bite-sized vegetables in my soup. We're going to push our cabbage down into the pot. If your cabbage won't fit, put half of it in, cook for 15 minutes, and then add the other cabbage. We're going to turn our stove to medium-high and work in the cabbage. We're going to let this cook on medium-high for 15 minutes. Well, it's been 15 minutes and our soup already looks delicious. We're going to let this simmer until the vegetables are to your liking. Usually about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. You're going to stir occasionally. So let's put a lid on it and let it simmer. It's been 2 hours. Let's check on our soup. Man, that looks delicious. It actually smells really delicious too. Can't wait to eat some. I love this soup. It's super tasty, full of veggies. You can add spices to it. You can use the soup as a meal replacement. You can replace a snack with it. It's delicious. Actually, you can even add meat to it. My mom, after a couple of days, she adds meat to hers. So let's try it. I'm getting ready to taste our soup, but I've spilled the soup 3 times trying to show it to you. But now you can see it, and it does look delicious. I'm going to walk around here. So now I'm going to taste it. I want to get some vegetables in here. That's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.